Don't apologize, please. Don't take this the wrong way. Like, I'm not talking about being an asshole. Like, if you're stepping on someone's foot, apologize, of course. I saw this review, really in depth. And at the end of the review, he wrote one sentence which stuck to me. He said, like, sorry for my bad English. And I was like, why are you saying that? What it does, if you're apologizing for small stuff like this, you are insecure about your skills. And when you are insecure about your skills or who you are forcing people to think, to search for exactly those clues. They actually think, yeah, actually you're right, like this person's English is really bad. I really highly recommend against this, like in any situation. If that's like your personal life or is it your professional life, it's something about your skills, you should develop your confidence. Nobody is perfect in this world. By you saying sorry for this and that, like for being like this and that, if you want to develop yourself as a personality, you have to be comfortable with your own weaknesses and flaws. Nobody's perfect in this world. Nobody's expecting anyone to be perfect or to deliver perfect results. So just whenever you feel something isn't perfectly executed, done, you don't have 100% knowledge, you just have like 95% knowledge, don't apologize for that. Just accept it. You're working on it, you're aware of it. If you need the extra 5%, just learn it. Find someone who already has done this, find a tutorial, find some book, get the extra knowledge. But don't apologize because you're creating the wrong impression of yourself. You're creating an artificially distorted perception of yourself that you are weak, that you are wrong, that you don't know your stuff. If you're drawing people's attention to your flaws, which they weren't looking in the first place. So make sure that you don't apologize for anything except stepping into someone's shoes or being a jerk. That should also is a valid reason to be apologetic about. So let me know what you think. Are you apologizing too much? What do you think? What's the best approach? Let me know in the comments and make sure you follow me for more mindset and marketing strategy topics.